Chus. Jesús.
Have you ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? It all started over 1,000 years ago, back in the Middle Ages during the terrifying Black Plague. People believed that when you sneezed, your soul might escape, and saying Jesus was a form of divine protection. Others thought a sneeze was a sign you were about to die, so people began saying Jesus as a quick blessing. Over time, it became a habit. Imagine this. From ancient Rome to modern times, this tradition has endured. It's fascinating how a simple custom has survived across centuries and continents, adapting to different cultures while keeping its original meaning. Even though we no longer think a sneeze is a death sentence, we still say bless you out of pure tradition. Incredible, right? Did you know that? You say it too. Comment if you also say bless you or something different. And if you love curious facts like this, give it a like and follow me for more fascinating stories. See you in the next video.